Hello guys, and welcome on control panel overview of dryer Whirlpool FFT. So of course there we have a knob to select your program. This button is for turning on the fresh care function. This one is for a speed drying. If you're holding this button for 3 seconds, you can add your program to the favorites. By this button you can manage the settings and manage the extra features to your drying your drying process. There we have the drying level. There we have the time management of the drying cycle. By this button you can set the delay. There we have the arrows to manage the menu, and by this button you are accepting the functions. By this one you can start and stop the cycle. By this one you can turn on and off. And basically that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like, recommend, and goodbye.